Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, I just recorded my unboxing of the new Louis Vuitton, so things look the same. Yes, because I'm recording it back to back, so I have something up for you this week. So anyway, today what I want to do is I want to unbox my Chic Box, but I don't know what's in it because I canceled Chic Box. But this could be the extra bag that they owed me that they didn't send me originally when they said they would when I resubscribed. And when they didn't, I said, you know what, I'm just canceling anyway, but they sent it to me. So if you're interested in seeing what extras they sent me, please stay tuned. Welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. Welcome to my family room, and I am just kicking back, and I've had a really long day shopping and walking and going to malls and everything else, and so I thought I'd come home and just kind of plop down on the second floor in a family room. This is actually our TV room, and my kitties are sleeping under those blankies, and so I said, you know what, I'm just gonna bring the camera down here and record. I know the lighting isn't the best, but be patient with me, okay? So anyway, as I was saying, I have this box, I think. It's a bag though, and I wanna unbox it for you, okay? But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and do a quote. So let's see. Let me pick a decent one here. And no, okay, I'm just gonna pick random. Okay, here we go. There it is. I had one picked, but I thought, yeah. So this one says, you may not notice it today, you may not notice it in a week, but one day you'll be able to look back and be amazed at how far you've come. Ooh, I like that one. Yeah, that's a good choice. So I put a little heart in it. It's true, you know, I think back to many years ago, before my daughter was born, before I was a nurse, you know, I was kind of like a rolling stone, you know, just kind of hanging my hat wherever I hung it. And I worked for the military. I taught skydiving and I taught scuba diving. And I just, you know, I was in Japan, I was in Korea working. And then I decided to settle down and become a nurse because I said, you know what, I'm getting a little older, I bet to go to school. And so, you know, when I was back then, if I would think forward, I would have never put myself where I am today. And, you know, not to say I didn't have any hard times, because I did. I've gone through some trials and tribulations, you know, gone through a divorce, got remarried. My daughter is now, she just turned 27 actually on June 29th. And so, yeah, life just, it just went by. And when I think back to those days, I say, you know what? I'm really amazed at the fact that I'm where I am today. Not the fact that I'm here, but the fact that I'm still alive. Because you can remember I was an adrenaline junkie. And even after, you know, even 10, 15 years ago, I was still doing rock climbing and mountain climbing. And so I'm kind of amazed that I'm still living. And, you know, I just was chasing adrenaline all the time. So anyway, yeah. So that's a good one. You may not notice it today. You may not notice it in a week. But one day you'll be able to look back and be amazed at how far you've come. So that is true story. Okay, so let's just jump into this box, right? Okay, I'm just gonna rip it open. And if you guys are interested in seeing the unboxing of the brand new Louis Vuitton carry-all, I did record that for you guys, and I'm hoping that that goes up before this one does, because yeah, but one never knows. Okay. Here it is. It's a bag. They used to put it in a nice box, but now it's not. So yeah, it is what it is. Okay, and already something fell out. This says it's jelly blush. Yeah, blush. It's a jelly blush. Interesting. But it's sealed. I'm not going to open it. And this is by Rimmel. And I'm going to go ahead and put this in a giveaway because I don't use cream blushes like this. And here it is. So it's, yeah, it looks like a very nice color though, if you look at the color. But I'll go ahead and put this into the, giveaway. And how this used to come is that this is a May-June box. And, you know, I canceled it, so I don't know why they're sending it to me. But it does give you a kind of like a description of what you could have gotten. And, yeah. You know what? Where is my glasses? Because I'm going to read the price for you because it looks like there's prices in here. All right. In my big old bag over here. Okay, this one here, the Rimmel Jelly Blush, it's $12.95 is what this one is, okay? $12.95. And I'm gonna go ahead and open this, but one fell out. And this is by Clarins. It looks like a primer, SOS primer. And let's see, is this on here? Of course not. I don't see this one. Yeah, okay, here it is. Oh, it's $40. $40 for this. But I don't use a primer because I use a sunscreen primer. So I'll go ahead and put this in a giveaway. And it is full size and it's retailed at $40. And Clarins is actually a very good brand. And so that's that. Let me not throw things around. And I'm going to open the rest. And the next thing I see is by Toothpaste. It's Peach Bloom Lip Balm. Now, the lip balms I will go ahead and keep because I like them. And this one is by, let's see, Toothpaste. Oh, and Cheek Tint. It's $25 is the retail price. You know what? If it's a cheek tint and a lip balm, I may not keep it because I was thinking that it was clear balm. But it doesn't seem to be. Oh, here it is right here. It looks like that. But you know what? I'm not going to open it because I don't want, I'm not going to open it because I'm probably not going to keep it. And there it is right there. And I'll probably put this in one of the giveaways. And you guys remember, I still have the 1,000 Beautiful Wildflower giveaway going on. And so, yeah, but I keep dropping up and down, up and down. It's $9.80 today. So, but yeah, it is what it is. Okay, and that was $25. And the next thing I have here is by Revlon. Again, it's sealed. I'm not going to open it. This looks like a lipstick, and it is. And it is called Showstopper. It's matte. And so it is like a red. I have so many lipsticks, guys. I don't need another one. So I'll also drop this in a giveaway. And this is, let's see, Revlon Lustrous Lipstick. And it's $9.49 is the retail price. Okay, and the last thing that's in my box is the Discovery Eyeshadow Palette True to Myself by Rare Beauty. Here it is, and I believe I own this already. I want to say I do, but let me take a look. Oh, gosh. Okay, how do I open this without ruining it? Okay, here. Okay, I can do that. And it looks like this. Rare Beauty. Oh, there it is. Oh, we can't hold on. There we go. Let me just cover that up. You can see. And let's see the shades because I think I seriously, it comes like that. And oh, it's nice. Yep, I do own this one. I think it's going to be the same shades. Let me see. Yes. And there is a mirror and there it is. It has the protector. This is really nice, actually. Let me remove the protector real quick so you can see the colors. There it is. Oops. I'm trying not to get a shadow. Okay. This is actually really pretty. But you know what? Since I do own this one, I'm going to go ahead and definitely put this in a giveaway. And this is actually really pretty. But let's see. It's my prayer time. Hold on one second. Let me shut that down. Okay. There we go. That's the call to prayer. Sorry about that. And yeah, comes like this, really pretty. And on the back, tells you what the shades are. But as I said, I do own it. The retail price on this is $29. So the possibility that I could have gotten a NARS eyeshadow duo. I didn't get that. I would have really liked that. The other one is Fenty Beauty Precision Blending Brush. And also James Charles palette or Clarins Pore Protecting Mattifying Kit. and Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. And also Kevin Aucoin Neo Highlighter. Those are the things that you could have gotten aside from the ones that I did get. And so, but it's okay. And like I said, I canceled it. And yeah, and I did check, and I have an email that says it's been canceled. So if I see a charge on my card, I will have to give them a call and say, look, what is up with that? So yeah, that's it, guys. So what did you think about the box? And these boxes are, what is it? $49.95, and it's every other month. Like this one is for May and June. But, you know, seriously, guys, I mean, I'm not $49.95, and you gave me a couple of things that are like, I want to say grocery store, but that's not right. Drugstore. And if you're going to charge me that much for a box, I really want to see, you know, things like Charlotte Tilbury and NARS and Kevin Aucoin, and not Revlon and Rimmel. You know what I mean? So yeah, but that's okay. Like I said, I've canceled the box, and yeah, and I'd rather save my money and buy things that I really want to buy. So it is what it is. So tell me what you think. Would you have paid $49.95 for what I got today? I don't know, maybe. You know, we all like different things, and it doesn't matter. I mean, if you like it, you like it. I do like what I received, and I like that I can actually give things away. So that's a good thing. So if I add any value, guys, hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Because there's a button that looks like that right below. And also remember, I'm trying to get 1,000 beautiful wildflowers so I can launch the giveaway. I have tons of great things. Huge palettes of, let's see, what is it? Novena palette. And that's for one box. And the other one is it Natasha Denona? So anyway, I have a bunch of stuff. I think I showed you part of it. And yeah, so yeah. Anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or good weekend, whenever you're watching this, and it does not matter. But just remember, in a field of roses, be a wildflower, and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. What'd you think? What did you really think? I'm really not happy about it, but it is what it is. You know, I canceled the boxes, and as you guys know, the reason why I did, because I'm not getting the things that I really want and really use, and especially like BoxyCharm and IPSY. And when I found out that even the high, you know, the high designer brand type of makeup is actually made specifically for like IPSY and BoxyCharm, and they're, you know, a lot of them are made in China, when the real ones that you actually buy at the store are made like in England or in Germany or in France. And so when I found that out, it really, really upset me. I felt like, you know, they're cheating me. And I just don't like that. That's such bad practice. You know, say so if that's the case. And don't let me look at the labels and figure it out, because how I figure that out is a couple of the palettes that I received for like Anastasia palette. It was made in China, and I already owned one. And when I look at mine, it's made in Italy. I'm like, what's up with that? So yeah, I'm not happy about that. So anyway, I'm able to buy other things that I love, and I pretty much am sticking to certain makeup anyway. And so every day I wear the same thing to work. You know, I use my MAC foundation, I use my Chanel eyeshadow and blush, and what is it Natasha Denona? Yeah, highlighter, and Pat McGrath highlighter sometimes. So yeah, so I have what I need. I don't need any more makeup, but I do still have plenty to give away. So yeah, come and get it. So, okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys are having a good day in a week, depending on when I post this. So yeah, and yeah, be safe out there. And this will not be 4th of July. It will probably be after 4th of July, because 4th of July is Mask Monday. So that's one that's going to be going up. Okay? So thank you so much for watching, and I love you all from the bottom of my left ventricles. And I'll see you soon. Mwah!